Hi everyone, so I decided to make this video because I get this question a lot, and after doing a review on my portable washer, I pretty much get the same question every single day, and I keep replying to people, but I keep getting the same exact question. And the question is, do you need to turn the water off or can you leave the water on? And the answer is yes, you can leave the water on. The portable washer works pretty much exactly the same as a regular washer. So you connect the washer to the water and you just leave it on, and the washer will let the water flow whenever it's needed. And there is no pressure buildup, nothing like that. As long as you use, the proper hose, that it's not leaking, you can leave the water on and you should not have any issues. I've been using the same portable washer for over a year now, and I always leave the water on as long as the washer is running. Of course, whenever I'm done with laundry, I disconnect the hose from the faucet, and before I do that, I of course turn the water off. I disconnect the washer from the outlet. But yeah, I just leave the water on, and the flow will stop whenever the washer is filled to the proper amount. And if you change the settings, so while the washer is running, so for example, if you select the small load for the washer, it will fill to like 1/3. But while the washer is running, you can change the setting to, for example, setting 2, so medium load, and the washer will pump more water in. So that's an option. I sometimes do it whenever I decide to put more stuff in the washer while I'm doing the laundry, and it's totally fine. I've noticed that the washer I have, it's the Black & Decker, it's pretty good at filling the correct amount of water inside. It never overfills, which is very important. I never had that issue, and it works pretty great. So yeah, I hope I answered your question. And if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.